Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see 25 shortcuts for doing aptitude. So let us go into the video. I will be putting two parts. So this is part 1. So I think so we will be seeing around 11 questions. Remaining questions will be uploaded in part 2. So first question is, here we can have like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 so on. So till 100 means what will be the value? Okay. So for find this, let us use a shortcut. So see here. So see the last number. So last number we are having as 100. After 100 it's 101. So 100 into 101 divided by 2. So this 2 is always common. It won't change. Okay. So just see what is the last number and also what is the consecutive next number, successive next number. So 100 is the last number, next number is 101. So 100 into 101 divided by 2. The next step is you have to cancel. Just cancel the 100 by 2. So we will be having 50. So if you multiply 50 into 101, you will be getting the answer. So 50 into 101 is 5050. So this is the answer. So answer for this sum is 5050. I will also tell another example. If you are having a number as 20, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on till 20 means, then 20 into 21. So next number is 21 divided by 2. So when you cancel common numbers like 20 divided by 2 means you will be getting 10. So 10 into 21, so you will be getting 210. So answer for the problem, if you are having a number as 20 as the last number, your answer would be 210. I hope so this problem is clear. So we'll move on to next sum. So here we can see like 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 power, actually it's not 3 power 4, it's 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube and so on. So at last we will be having 10 cube as the last number. So what will be the answer? So if you're having or got a sum like this means how we can do? So here the last number is 10. So put 10 and successive number is 11. So 10 into 11 divided by 2. But here we are having cube, right? So we have to square it up. So first step is see the last number, put as it is 10. The next number is 11. So 10 into 11 divided by 2. So we have to whole square it. So if you cancel the common ones, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5 into 11. So 5 into 11 is 55. So 55 square is the answer for this. So 55 square is, so for doing 55 square also I will tell a shortcut. See, here we are having 5, right? What is the 5 square? 5 into, sorry, 5 means 5 into 5. Okay, what is the number, last number? 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, so here we will be having 5. What is the next number of 5? 6. So 6 into 5 is 30. So first step for doing 55 square, 75 square, number ending with 5, we can do like this. So first step is 5 is the last number. So 5 into 5 is 25. First number is 5. The next number, I mean consecutive next number is 6. So we have to multiply that number. So 6 into 5 is 30. So 55 square is 3025. So without calculator we can easily calculate. So answer for this sum is 3025. We can also, I will also tell an example for 35. See here, 35 means 5 is the number. So 5 into 5, 25. 3 is the number. The successive number is 4. So 4 into 3, 12. So 35 square means 1225. The next sum is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on till 10 square. So here how we can proceed? See what is the last number? 10 is the last number. Okay, 10 is the last number. So what you have to do? 10 is the last number. So you have to put 10 into 11. Okay. So you have to put like 10 into 11. Just see here. You have to add these two numbers. When you add these two numbers, you will be getting 21. So first step is you have to write 10. The next number is after 10 it's 11, right? So 10 into 11. When you add these two numbers, you will be getting this number, the third number, 21. Next thing is you have to divide it by 6. So 3 numbers are there, right? So always 6 is the common number. So whatever how many terms you get, you just divide it by 6. Okay. So if you do means you can easily get 6. If just cancel common one. So if 10 divided by 2 means 5, 6 divided by 2 means 3. Then cancel 3 and 21, you will be getting this. So 5 into 11 into 7. So okay. So when you multiply 55 into 7, so you'll be getting 7 5s are 35. So 7 5s are 35, 38. So you'll be getting an answer as 385. Okay. So once again I repeat, you have to put 10, and after number next number is 11. You have to add this number. You will be getting this number. Just divide it by 6. So same thing for all the problems which we saw previously. So next sum is x plus 1 by x is equal to 7. So this is the differential equation they gave. So what we need to find? X square plus 1 by x square. So what is the answer? Like that, if they are asking means you have to do like this. First step is just see what number you are having. 7 you are having, right? So put 7. Okay, just square it up. Whatever number you are having, put the number and square it up. Next step is, if you are having plus sign here, you have to put minus sign. If you are having plus, it's minus. And next number is 2. So this 2 and square is common for all the problems. So if you are getting similar sum means you have to proceed like this. Just write the last whatever answer you are getting, 7. Just square it up, minus 2. So 7 squares are 49. So 49 minus 2, 47. So when you calculate, you will be getting an answer as 47. Okay, just try it up. You will be getting the answer 47. And next thing is you will be having out of 4 options, 47 will be there. Okay, so just see. So here, yeah. So if you are having minus sign here means then you have to put plus. So opposite sign. Here we are having plus. So we are putting minus. If you are having minus here, we have to put plus here. So see here we are having minus. Okay, here we are having minus. So what we will be doing? We will be putting a plus sign here. See here we are having minus. So we will be putting plus sign. So last number is 7. So 7 square. So minus means plus 2. So 49 plus 2, 51. So we will be getting an option as 51. The next thing is, see here, this is a differential equation, and here the question is, what is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4? So previously we saw for x square, right? Now we are seeing for x power 4. So whatever we did previously, we have to do two times of it. Okay, so same procedure. See, last number is 7. So 7 square minus 2. So we are having plus, so minus. Okay, 7 square minus 2. So 47. Okay, next thing is, see here, for whatever answer you are getting, you have to repeat the same procedure. So 47 square minus 2. So 47 square is 2209. Okay, 2209 minus 2 means you will be getting this answer. The next term is, this is a differential equation, and here we are having x cube plus 1 by x cube. What is the answer? So see here, whatever number you are having here, so this is a number, right? Put 5 cube. Next is, what is 5 into 3? Just see here, the first step is whatever number you are having, write as it is. So here we are having cube, right? So put cube. Here we are having plus sign, so minus sign. 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, so see here, 5 3s are 125. 125 minus 15, 110. So answer will be 110. If you are having 3 here, for example, if you are having 3 here means then 3 cube minus 3 into 3, 9. So 3 cube is 27 minus 9. So answer will be 18. See here, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. X power 5, now we are seeing in terms of 5, right? So see here, actually for solving this we have to use a formula. So let us consider the term as y, the unknown as y. Put y. Okay, so here we are having power 5, so put as it is. So y power 5 minus 5 into y cube. Okay, so this 5 and this 5 all denoting the power. So y power 5 minus 5 y cube plus 5 into y. So this is the formula for solving this sum. So you have to understand, you have to by heart or memorize this formula. This is the formula, y power 5 minus 5 into y cube plus 5 into y. So in the place of y, we are going to replace 3. So whatever answer you are getting, you are having here 3 or 4 or 5, whatever may be, just write the same answer. See here, 3 power 5 minus 5 into 3 cube plus 5 into 3. So whatever the answer you are getting, 3 power 5 means you will be having 243. 3 cube into 5 means 135. 5 into 3, 50. So if you add all the 3 number, you will be getting an answer as 123. See here, 123 is the solution. Next is, see here, you will be getting a sum like this, like root of 5, root of 5, root of 5, so on till infinity. So if you are having, if it goes on till infinity means just check whether they gave any plus or minus in between. If they didn't give anything means, so whatever number you are having, either 5 or 3 or 6 or 7, whatever may be, the same number is your answer. So answer for this sum is 5. See here, we are having plus, so root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6, so on till infinity. Here we are having plus symbol. So for this sum, just see here, when you multiply two consecutive numbers, successive number, like 1 into 2, 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 11 into 12, you have to get whatever number here. Here we are having a number as 6. Okay, so when can we get an answer as 6? When we multiply 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. So when we do only, we will be getting an answer as 6, and both the numbers should be successive number. So see here, 2 into 3. Okay, just see 2 into 3. If you are having plus symbol, okay, if you are having plus symbol means you must have a greater value. So 3 is your answer. Okay, if you are having plus symbol means you have to get the greater value as your answer, 3. In case if you are having negative sign, minus minus minus, means you have to get the least value among these two successive numbers. So for this question, the answer is 3. See here, the same sum, but we are having negative, and number is 20. Okay, so see here, when can we get 20? When can we get 20? So 5 into 4 or 4 into 5. So these are the successive number. So out of this, you have to get least number. So 4 is the least number. So your answer would be 4. So I hope so this video will be useful for you, and kindly share this shortcut for aptitude to those who are preparing for competitive exams and those who are preparing for interviews, because in interview process, aptitude round will be the base first round. It will be helpful for you those if you know these shortcuts. And in case if you want me to upload or make a video on a particular topic means, you can write in the comment section, and I would try to do the needful. Thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. We will be uploading all job opportunities and interview tips and all in our YouTube channel, and kindly see and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.